Before you use Retool, stop for a moment, because most people assume it's just another app builder. The surprising truth is that Retool is designed for building internal tools and dashboards quickly, but it's meant for developers or teams with some technical knowledge. Retool is a low-code platform that lets you create web apps by dragging components like tables, forms, and charts, and connecting them to databases and APIs. You won't believe what happens next when businesses realize they can replace multiple custom-built tools with a single Retool app, saving weeks of development time. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume low code means no coding. Retool requires at least basic knowledge of SQL, APIs, or JavaScript to unlock its full potential. Without this, creating functional apps can be slow or limited. Getting started involves signing up, selecting a template or blank app, adding components, and connecting your data sources. Retool integrates with popular databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, and external APIs. You can create dashboards, internal CRMs, admin panels, and more. The upside is speed and flexibility. Teams can build internal tools in hours instead of weeks, collaborate in real time, and iterate quickly. Pre-built components reduce coding requirements while still allowing customization. The downside is cost and learning curve. Retool is priced per user per month, which can be expensive for large teams. Beginners without technical skills may struggle initially, and complex workflows may require coding knowledge. The surprising truth about Retool is that it empowers teams to build powerful internal tools faster than traditional development, but it works best when someone on the team understands the technical side. If this honest review helped you understand Retool, subscribe for more software reviews and low-code platform insights.